Alright everybody, this is me showing you guys my little setup here. Got a tripod and then have my screen and then I have my transparency, and so you turn your transparency over to where it's reversed. You put it down on the screen and you kind of place it where you want. Then you take a piece of plexiglass or something to kind of weigh it down, and so kind of controls, I think it controls where the light goes. And then I take this handy dandy LED Speedball brand lamp, and man, this is going to be hard to do with one hand. So you'll have to get used to ow, that's my finger. Okay. It's not supposed to look like that, but, and, well, shoot. Lots of weird camera angles. Sorry. Bitter irony is I need the tripod to make this video, but actually, you know what, let's just, alright, so I posted on social media about how I have my little setup for exposing screens, and this is it. It is pretty simple. Just a tripod, got it from my wife got it for me from Goodwill. It was like $8, and then just like one of these little clamps you get at the hardware store, and the Speedball LED exposure lamp, and then your screen, your positive film you're gonna shoot, and then a piece of plexiglass or glass, anything to go on top of it, and then kind of set a timer for 8 minutes and turn it on. And I'll come back once this is exposed, and I'll tell you what the next step is. So stay tuned. Hopefully I got the right camera angle for this. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Bye. Alright. Here we go. Part 2. So we remove everything. And see, this is a good sign. You see how there's part of the screen that's lighter than the other part, the darker emulsion. That means you got a good screen burn going. And so you just take it to your sink. Now you don't need a big old sink, you just need, this is like, almost like one of those laundry sinks. Pour some water on it. Just do both sides. And then what I like to do is just take one of these, Dollar Tree kind of deals and just kind of scrub it. I coat my screens pretty heavy, and so I know I gotta scrub it a little bit. So give it a little scrub. And so once it got the scrubs going, it starts to wash out. I just take my thumb like this, sort of point it at the design. And that gives you enough pressure to get the emulsion out of there. And so then you just turn the screen over and do the same. And then for stubborn parts, you can keep scrubbing. And that gets the emulsion gone. Or you can buy a hose, and that makes things way easy. And this is pretty much good, so I'll let it dry and then come back and show you what to do next. This is just showing what it looks like when it's completely washed out. You can see, if you hand it up to the light, you can see I got some good stuff going on and it's washed out. I made this film or transparency using a Sharpie marker, so it gives an interesting texture. So yeah, so I'm gonna take a fan and plug this in and get it dry real quick.